Hello everyone, this is a video about this Braun electric shaver, and this one is the series 9. It's supposed to be the latest and the best that you can get, but not in Gillette form, but in Braun electric series 9 form, that it has 4 blades, and there are loads of hypes about this. Sorry about the size. It's so big that you cannot fit it in my screen, but I try my best. And this one, it comes with a clean and shave, and the charger, and the travel case, and somehow is a little bit bulky, so I have opened it already in order to save time. I get everything out of the box, and we are going to talk more about this and get rid of this big box. But first I have to show you what is inside the box. And this one, it was just dangling in there. This is just a brush to clean the head, and then the user manual, and then there is a separation partition, and then the liquid for washing the electric brush, and then the charger is just a normal 2-pin, and we are going to see how long is the cable here. And then this is the cleaning device that it comes with it, and then the item itself in a carry pouch, and nothing else is in there, but I can show you what the box it looks like. This item is the model number. Let me just see if I can find it, because there are so many other model numbers that it comes in shapes, in the shape of series 9, and all of them starts with 9 and 0 and 9 and something, and then it goes up to 94 and 77. That is very expensive, that one, because it has a travel charger pouch that it can also, it's like a power bank that it can charge your electric shaver. And the model number of this is 9092, but I cannot see anywhere here. Oh, here, 9290cc wet and dry. So this is the model number, and these are the parts that is coming with it. So I put the box on the side, and this is how it's going to wash your electric shaver. And while it's doing this, it's also charging it and lubricating it and hygienically clean it and make it even dry as well. Anyhow, I put this box aside, and then we look at everything that it comes in the box. Is just a cleaner. There's something here that it tells you how to put it in there. Yeah. And then this is the item itself. It's brand new. I just unboxed it. And in order to open it, you just press this part, and you put this cartridge inside, and the only way that you can put it in there is like so. But first you have to take this cap off. And then the charger. The cable, it looks like long enough. Let's see how long is the cable. You see guys, that's why most of my videos I first lay everything on the table and then I do my review, because to avoid all of these fiddling with everything. And the cable, I guess, is, let me see, a meter. Yeah, it's somehow a meter and a half. It's long enough, but if it was flexible it would be much better. And that's it. There is no light on top of this, and the voltage of this, if I can read it correctly, is 12 volt 400 milliamp hour. 12 volt 400 milliamp hour, and is universal from 100 to 240 volts. And this is it. And then the star of the show is the pouch and the item inside it. I took the time to just charge it for you guys. Let me just tidy up here and I come back. So these are everything that it was in the box in total. And then here is the star of the show. It has 4 blades, and in order to get the blades, the foil out, you just press these 2 eject ones, and then here is the foil that you can purchase them. I can show you some of the accessories that it comes. It doesn't come with it, but is available in the market that you can purchase it. So it has these 2 foils and 2 other ones that in particular it says the first foil, that is this one, it says Optifoil, and then the gold one is the Hyper Lift and Cut Trimmer, and the silver one immediately behind it is Direct and Cut Trimmer. And then you have just one blade here. It's like a blade, it's just this little flat metal piece there, and it says it's protective skin guard. And then we have another Optifoil at the end. And if you are not sure where this gold one should be positioned, you are right, because there are 2 ways that you can put this either way. I thought first of all that maybe is only one way, because on both sides it says series 9, so you can't know which one is the side that it goes on the top. But I tried this way and it's really hard to fit it in. But when this gold part is near to your, it's really fiddly here that I'm doing it. We have to insert some force there. But I thought maybe this one, it has to be closer to this front of the shaver. But in the picture of the image, and if you see, there is this button here, but the gold one is away from this button, so it means that this has to be there. So like so, it has to be there. Let's see if it does work. Yeah, so I think the gold one's supposed to be away one step further away from the lock button. And then here we have a lock button. This is releasing it, and then this is locking it. You can lock it in any position that you want. And then the power button, and then the display that it shows you the battery, how much battery you got, and when it needs some cleaning. There are some sort of droplets they are showing on the sides to show you it needs to be cleaned via the machine, via this cleaning part. And that's really it. And we have the precision trimmer as well, but this one is a little bit in a bad place, because if you are, for instance, doing your mustache or sideburns, this one is on the way. You cannot see it where you are just doing it. I think if it was coming out of here, it was still the same, but it was a little bit away from your face. You could see it much better. Anyhow, that's really it. And in charging it, you can direct charge it via the cable, and also you can put this cable there and then connect it to the mains and then charge it, and all the time you can leave it in charge. But I do not recommend this, because these are all the time, the mains is going through this cable and is all the time on a standby. So I do not recommend to leave it all the time in charge, other than while you are using it, or like in Britain, you can switch off the mains. If you leave it in the mains, you can switch it off in order to prolong the life of this. And then you have this liquid that is for cleaning. So I leave it there, and then your user manual, that is as usual is multilingual, and this is the English one. That is very self-explanatory, and it shows you for the first charge how do you do it, and you can pause and have a look if you want. And these are the images that they're providing in this booklet, user manual, how to use it. You can just pause and have a look if you wish. And at the front is just what it comes with the item, and it shows you the screen of different models. I'm not sure what it means. 9296, 9295, 9291 and 9290, they are this shape, and 9298 is black. So all of them, they have different colors. That's really it. And then the next page, this is more or less is an unboxing of this fantastic shaver that they say that is really, really good, and all the barbers, they are using this. And I just wanted to see how true it is, if it's good for everyday use for someone who is just coming to electric shaver, because myself, I'm using razors all the time. And there are some foils that you can buy. These are each for £45. It depends where you purchase them. And this one is 92S for 9 series. And here again you see the gold part is away from is nearer to this. I don't know, maybe you can use it both ways, if you know what I mean, by nearing to the front the gold, or the silver is nearing to the front. But there are some mixed messages in the box, in the images that they have provided. And then you can also purchase the liquids. And the liquids, they are coming in 3 and 5, pack of 3 and 5. The pack of 3 is about 15 up to 20 pounds each, including postage and packaging, and some of the retailers on the net. And then you can also purchase something that I have difficulty to know what this one does. If you know anything about this item, just let me know. This says Braun shaver cleaner. Keep your blades in top condition for longer. And here it says cleaning spray for cleaning shaver cutter parts. That's it. And then it says loads of stuff about how dangerous this one might be if you expose it to, flames and pierce it, or, abuse it by any means, or spray it in your eyes, and, all of the safety, but nothing as to what direction you should use this, how to use this with your item. And it says cleaning shaver cutter parts. I don't know. Please leave a comments for me to know what this one is talking about. And that's really it. And I'm going to try this and report back to you as to how good it is, because this is my first shaver. And I thought, okay, I go with a good one rather than cheap one to see how is going to perform. Obviously, it's Braun, and it has a very good reputation in terms of shaving and electric shavers, so it must be something good. But most of people, they have been complaining about the noise that is making, but everything else that I heard was good about this. So the price of this, it differs from £150 brand new if you go to a very fair retailer, and it goes up to 250 pounds, and some people, they are selling this, especially this model 9290cc, for about 350 pounds as well. So be careful and shop around, because you can find some sort of bargains there as well. There are different models of this. For instance, 9477, that it comes with a travel charging pouch, or device, that is, some people, they are selling it for £900, and the price really is 300 up to 400 pounds. But this one is the same, but the other stuff that it's coming with it is different. For instance, the 94 series 9 series, the lock button is here, slider is here, and this is just the touching stuff that you do, and that's really it. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to come back to you if I find any negative points about this. And if you are interested to know about this more, leave a comment down below, and I get back to you as soon as I can. Anyhow, this video is getting too long, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and until my next video, take care of yourself and each other, and as always, have a great time.